So today is also my laundry day. So I'm just gonna take everything off and then go do laundry as well. Just throw this in my laundry basket. I normally just look through my day on my Google Calendar. So today it's pretty empty. I just have 11 to 4 part-time job that I will be working remotely. Then I have one meeting. I'm not sure if this meeting is cancelled or not. I'm pretty sure it's cancelled, but I'm just gonna leave it here for now. But yeah, I need to catch up on some work in the lab, so I'm just gonna create another one, color code it, and then just gonna work for a few hours, 4 hours maybe, and put it on top of the meeting that's most likely gonna be cancelled. But yeah, so this is my schedule today. Another thing that I usually do is just look at the habit tracking page on my Notion. Then I go over to the task and then today and see like how many things I have to complete and the priority of it. Normally I would just put the priority, I would just set the priority like then before I go to bed. That's because I usually go to bed like after midnight anyway, so other tasks would be updated so I can like arrange it in time. So I got contacted yesterday by a company called Bobcat. They're interested in setting up an interview with me for a co-op position, which is like basically internship but a longer term. I'm not sure if I can do co-op, so I'm gonna ask them if they have internship position open. I'll give them a call when it's more appropriate because they're from North Dakota and the time right now is 8 a.m. because normally it would just be 9 to 5, but it depends on the company as well. So I'm just gonna wait a bit and then give him a call because he wants me to call him and set up a call, set up another meeting for an interview basically. I need to rewrite a note for a class, so I guess I'm gonna time block like an hour for catching up on school. For my thermal class, the professor said that you can earn extra credit by submitting notes for a certain like lecture, and my lecture is the one from yesterday, but I just quickly write the note in like a temporary notebook. So I want to rewrite it to make it better and easier to read, so I'm just gonna do that. But before I go to that, I'm just gonna clean up the room and then do some laundry. All right. Okay, so now I can check laundry, cleaning, and yeah, I can check those two off the list. So I guess there's nothing else much to say other than for me to start working, so I'll just set a camera up somewhere and then yeah, I'll check back in once I have anything else to say. Just gotta heat up the water for Thai green curry. I've been mixing the chocolate one with banana. It's really good. Just gonna scoop up the banana. Chocolate scoop. And normally I would just add the fish sauce to it because I need more saltiness. Last thing, pour the water. Okay, so just finished eating my brunch. I think I'm gonna call the Bobcat guy and see what's going on. And yeah, fingers crossed. I don't know what to expect, but yeah. Yep, sounds good. Alright. Okay, thank you. Alright, bye. Alright, so set up the interview time. It will be next Wednesday at 2 p.m. So don't think anything would happen with this, or even if I get the job, I don't think I can accept it if they don't offer like an internship, because right now my work permit, I only have like around 6.5 months left. So, and the co-op program is 8 months according to Bobcat website. So yeah, I'll just keep working. Right now it's 10:45. I have to rewrite the notes, submit that, and then start working for Alcon stuff. But I don't think I'm gonna keep rolling the camera for a while, since I don't think I can show any internal work for Alcon. But we'll see what I can do or what I can show. And yeah, I'll check back in with you guys in a bit. All right, bye. Right now it's almost 4, and I have a meeting at 4:15. So I just got done with Alcon work, my part-time job. So I'm just packing up right now, everything, to get ready to go to the meeting. So it's a meeting for my lab. After the meeting, I'll just be working in the lab for a while, and I have a dinner with one of my friends. We'll be going to like a Chinese-ish restaurant, but yeah. So let me make sure that I don't forget anything. Have my key, I have my wallet. Okay, should be ready. Alright, I'll head up now. Okay. so I'm gonna take a break from the lab for now. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I'm heading to a dinner appointment that I have. So it's raining. I might not be able to film while I bike there, but I don't even know if I can get there. Alright, so just got done with that dinner. It was so nice catching up with a friend, but I have to get back to work. Okay, I forgot to film this, but I went to grab my stuff because I forgot that I have a startup meeting with my co-founder, well, my roommate basically. So I have to run back to my apartment, and I will be back to the lab once I'm done with the meeting and like just startup stuff to keep working on the research. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna film on my way back just because I need to rush back and I don't want to get distracted. So alright, I'll see you at the apartment.
I give you my consent to do anything.
Okay, so okay, so right now it's 11:15, 11:20, something like that. Just finished working on sidewise stuff. Well, not really finished, but it's the end of the session, and I think I'll go back to the lab because I left the device on and I don't think I want to leave it overnight. I'll see when I get there if I still have energy to continue working on this stuff in the lab, but I'm hella tired right now, so, and I still have a pile of laundry right here that I have to fold up before I go to bed. So okay, let's go to the lab. Probably not gonna film until I get to the lab again because the battery is at 10% on the camera, so I have to preserve it, otherwise I will just use my iPhone, I guess. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you at the lab. Okay, I am here at the lab and I'll continue working on the project that I have for tonight. I decided to continue working, so Alexa, light on. Okay, I just got home and it's almost 1. It's like 12:50 and I still have this freaking laundry on my bed. I would love to say like, fuck it, I'm not gonna do it anymore, but I need the bed to sleep and I need to shower. Okay, I just got done folding my laundry and setting up my bed. I am super tired. It's been a long day, hell, even a long week. Anyway, I'll just go take a shower and go to bed because today, I have to wake up at like, I have to be at the lab at 8:30 because I have to help out with an experiment again. So, yep, alright. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.